Okay, so the solution that happened during the live stream ended up being a total debacle. I had forgotten how to do filters. I forgot there was like a certain way to do filters in Wireshark. And so it was pretty much 20 minutes of me just looking foolish. So here's a very quick version of how you would actually find a web packet. In the weekend assignment, number 20 was capture a packet of web information. And so that's what we're going to do. So I'm here, I have Wireshark started, and I started it with sudo. Generally, you need sudo in order to run Wireshark if you're going to capture packets. If you're just looking at already captured packets, not so much. But to capture them, so I'm just going to hit the capture button. We'll start capturing things. I'll make sure that I browse somewhere on the web. All right, I loaded a page off screen. I'll click stop. And now, whether we captured this on a remote computer and opened it or captured it locally, we're going to have all of these packets and we can go through them. Now, where I went wrong during the live stream is there's a display filter here, but it's a very specific format. You don't just type something in it, it filters on that. You have to do something like TCP destination port is equal to 443. And that's actually what I should have looked for. DST port is equal to 443, press enter, and then we'll get all of the packets that have a destination port of 443, which is HTTPS or SSL traffic, right? So that's what I should have done. I ended up just trying to filter on all sorts of things. The other thing that we can do, if we can get rid of that, and this is all of our packets again now, you can just search. Instead of applying one of the filters, you can actually just search for a string, which is what I thought I was doing all along, and just search for like 443 and press enter. And then like this packet right here, this was destination port 443. And the whole thing I wanted to show everyone is that when you have an individual packet like this, Wireshark will show you all sorts of information about the packet itself. Like it was captured on this interface, its Ethernet encapsulation. It shows the length, the protocol, all sorts of things. And then if it's not encrypted, so if it's encrypted, it's just going to be like over here on the right. This window is the actual data that is in the packet itself. If it's an encrypted packet like HTTPS, you're not going to be able to read that because it's encrypted, right? You're just seeing encrypted data, and this is actually in hex format. But you can see all sorts of information about the packet itself still, like where it's coming from, where it's going to, the type of packet that it is, the destination address that it went to, this IP address on port 443. I think this is my server in Austria, if I remember correctly, because that's kermit.brainofshawn.com is where I went to make sure that we captured some web packets. Anyway, that's it. It'll if you open all these up, it'll just show you more and more information about the packet itself. And that's the thing I wanted to get across with the weekend assignment is you can capture packets and then find a specific type of packet, whether you're just using this string filter here, which is what I thought I was doing, or if you're applying a filter to the packets themselves using something like tcp.dest, like we did originally. But you just can't put a string in here and expect it to find what you're looking for. You got to look over here in the little little drop down search thing for the string. Anyway, that was it. That's the weekend assignment solution. If you want to see me struggle for 20 minutes straight, you can go back and watch the live stream, but I don't recommend it. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. Remember to learn everything, do what you love, and most importantly, be kind. I'll see you on the internet.